Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S20 or the S21 with a hardware keys combination for Android 11 update. Okay, so this is the new method of hard resetting your device using the hardware key. So what you want to do is first plug in your headset to the USB port. You can also connect to a USB cable that connects to a computer. Okay, the next step is to turn off your device. So I'm going to swipe down the top with 2 fingers and then tap on the power button. Next, choose power off, then tap on power off button again to switch off the device. Once the phone is switched off, we need to boot into recovery menu, and to do that, we need to press on the side button and the volume up key, both buttons at the same time. So let's do it now. Press and hold. So press and hold until you see the Samsung logo appears on the screen, and then let go. Okay, let go now, and then just wait for the phone to boot up into recovery mode. Okay, you should see at the top it said Android recovery, and now we want to press on the volume down key. So navigate the menu items down to wipe data or factory reset. So you want to select that option. Use the power button on the side here, this button, to select. Okay, and then press on the down button and press on factory data reset. Then to confirm, you want to press on the power button like this. And it will now say format data. At this point, it will completely go ahead and format the device. You will lose all your data, so be careful when you do this because it will basically completely erase everything on your phone. Now you can press on the side button to reboot the system now. And that's it. That's how you can perform a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S20 or the S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So be very careful when you do this. There is no additional confirmation steps. Once you press on the format option, it will proceed ahead to wipe all your data. Make sure that you have backup all your data. Backup. So I said again, please back up your device before you go ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.